So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh playlist of 0 to Hero in SQL. So in this playlist we are going to see that what is SQL and what are the applications of the SQL and what are the commands in SQL. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe. In this video we are going to see the very basic part of the SQL. So let's see about the SQL guys. Okay, so our first question is that what is SQL. Okay, so basically SQL is an structured query language, like it is an programming language which is used to interact with our database. Okay, so it is an programming language which is used to interact with our database. Okay, so if we talk about what is mean by the database, so this word is divided into two parts, as first is data and the second one is about the base. Okay, so we are going to see first of all that what is mean by the data. Okay, so the data would be like anything. The data would be your name or your roll number or your address, or in the form of image, in the form of video, anything the data will be. Okay, so and if we talk about what is mean by the base, so basically the base means the as considered as the place. Okay, as considered as the place. Okay, so if we combine these both words as the database, then the meaning will be like the place in which all the data is stored. That place is known as the database. Okay, that place is known as the database. Okay, this is known as the database. Okay, why database? Okay, so basically here is the place. Okay, here is the place. The place is table. Okay, and your data is name and the roll number, status and the class. This is your data in which you have stored, that is known as the table, and the both combination is known as the database. Okay, so basically remember, as the place in which all your data is stored, that is known as the database. Okay, let's move to our second part about the applications of the SQL. Okay, so just consider as applications of the SQLs are CRUD. Okay, CRUD. C stands for create, R stands for read, U stands for update, D stands for delete. These are the applications of the SQL. Okay, so let's move to the further part, that what are the commands in the SQL. Okay, so basically there are the three types of the commands as the DDL. So first one is the DDL, and second one is DML, and third one is DCL. Okay, so basically DDL stands for data definition language. Okay, so what is mean by the data definition language? So in the data definition language you can create or alter or drop the data. Okay, in the data manipulation language you can select, insert or update or delete the data. Okay, so in the DCL data control language you can grant and revoke permission to the user, like you have shown like the websites you have visited and just it has shown and pop up asking you that you can allow or deny that, and just that is possible using the data control language, in which you can grant and revoke your permission to the users. Okay, so these were the answers of the three questions, that what is SQL and what are the applications and what are the commands. So if you like this video guys, please like, share and subscribe, and in the next video we are going to see the further part. Okay, so subscribe for our video, and just we will learn daily with the one video. Okay, so let's see you in the next video guys.